EB1A myth busting. Does the government have to approve your petition because you prove 3 criteria? Sadly, they don't. So you can prove 3 criteria and then still at the final merits determination, USCIS can say, meh, just not that impressed. Like maybe you technically got there, but overall, we just don't think it's good enough. That's probably the most disappointing and infuriating way to win. And although it may not be avoidable 100% of the time, so much of that has to do with storytelling. But I'd like to encourage people to think about how would you explain if you were visiting a middle school and it was career day, how would you explain your work? If you were talking to your grandma, how would you explain your work? If your work goes well and the industry advances in the way that you think it's going, where will that end up in 5 or 10 years? How will it matter? So maybe you're working on a very particular area of research, a very particular software, something like that. Why does it matter? How will normal people's lives ultimately be impacted by your work? And how does your little piece of the puzzle fit into the larger projects that you are working on?